The role of vitamin B12 in weight loss, myths, facts, and practical applications.
Introduction. In recent years, vitamin B12 has gained attention as a potential aid in weight loss.
With numerous claims circulating on social media and health forums, it can be challenging to distinguish between fact and fiction. This article aims to provide a comprehensive overview of vitamin B12, its role in the body, and its potential impact on weight loss. We'll explore the science behind these claims, examine the evidence, and offer practical advice for incorporating vitamin B12 into a weight management plan.
1. Understanding vitamin B12. 1.1 What is vitamin B12?
Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including DNA synthesis, red blood cell formation, and neurological function. Unlike some other vitamins, B12 is not produced by the body and must be obtained through diet or supplementation. 1.2 Sources of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products, such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. For vegetarians and vegans, fortified foods and supplements are essential sources of this nutrient.
Certain algae and fermented foods also contain small amounts of B12.
1.3 How vitamin B12 is absorbed.
The absorption of vitamin B12 is a complex process that involves the stomach, pancreas, and small intestine.
It begins with the release of B12 from food in the stomach, followed by its binding to intrinsic factor, a protein produced by the stomach lining. The B12 intrinsic factor complex then travels to the small intestine, where it is absorbed into the bloodstream.
1.4 Functions of vitamin B12 in the body. Vitamin B12 is essential for several critical bodily functions.
Red blood cell formation. B12 is vital for the production of healthy red blood cells. A deficiency can lead to anemia, characterized by fatigue and weakness. DNA synthesis. B12 plays a key role in DNA synthesis and repair, which is crucial for cell division and overall cellular health. Neurological function. B12 is important for maintaining the health of nerve cells and producing myelin, a protective sheath around nerves. Energy metabolism. B12 helps convert food into energy by aiding in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates.
2. Vitamin B12 and weight loss, the connection.
2.1 The role of metabolism in weight management. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that occur within the body to maintain life, including the conversion of food into energy. Basal metabolic rate, BMR, is the amount of energy expended while at rest, and it varies from person to person based on factors such as age, gender, and body composition.
2.2 How vitamin B12 influences metabolism. Vitamin B12 is involved in energy metabolism by aiding in the conversion of fats and carbohydrates into usable energy. This process is critical for maintaining a healthy metabolism and preventing fatigue, which can indirectly support weight loss efforts. 2.3 Scientific studies on vitamin B12 and weight loss. While some studies suggest a potential link between B12 and weight loss, the evidence is not conclusive. Research has shown that B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue and lethargy, which may reduce physical activity and contribute to weight gain. However, there is limited direct evidence that B12 supplementation alone can cause significant weight loss in individuals with normal B12 levels. 3. Common myths and misconceptions. 3.1 Myth: Vitamin B12 injections instantly boost weight loss. One of the most common myths is that B12 injections can lead to rapid weight loss.
While B12 injections can be beneficial for individuals with a deficiency, they are not a magic solution for weight loss. They may help improve energy levels and support overall health, but they should be part of a comprehensive weight loss plan that includes a balanced diet and regular exercise.
3.2 Myth: More B12 means more weight loss.
Another misconception is that taking excessive amounts of B12 will accelerate weight loss.
The body only absorbs a limited amount of B12, and excess amounts are excreted through urine.
Therefore, taking high doses of B12 supplements beyond the recommended levels is unlikely to provide additional weight loss benefits and could lead to unnecessary expenses. 3.3 Myth: Vitamin B12 supplements replace the need for a healthy diet. Some believe that B12 supplements can compensate for an unhealthy diet. While B12 is essential for overall health, it cannot replace the benefits of a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. A healthy diet, combined with regular physical activity, is the cornerstone of effective weight management. 4. Identifying vitamin B12 deficiency. 4.1 Symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency. Vitamin B12 deficiency can manifest through a variety of symptoms, including fatigue and weakness, anemia, numbness and tingling in the hands and feet, difficulty walking, memory loss and cognitive decline, mood disturbances such as depression and irritability. 4.2 Risk factors for vitamin B12 deficiency. Certain groups are at higher risk for B12 deficiency, including older adults. Decreased stomach acid production with age can impair B12 absorption. Vegetarians and vegans. Plant-based diets lack sufficient B12, making supplementation necessary. Individuals with gastrointestinal disorders. Conditions such as Crohn's disease, celiac disease, and pernicious anemia can affect B12 absorption. Individuals on certain medications. Some medications, including proton pump inhibitors and metformin, can interfere with B12 absorption. 4.3 Diagnosing vitamin B12 deficiency. Diagnosis typically involves a blood test to measure B12 levels. Additional tests, such as a complete blood count, CBC, and methylmalonic acid, MMA, test, may be performed to confirm the deficiency and assess its severity. 5. Addressing vitamin B12 deficiency. 5.1 Dietary changes. For those with mild deficiency, increasing dietary intake of B12-rich foods may be sufficient. Incorporating more meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy products can help boost B12 levels. Fortified foods and nutritional yeast are good options for vegetarians and vegans. 5.2 Oral supplements. Oral B12 supplements, available in tablet, capsule, or liquid form, can effectively address deficiency in many individuals. The recommended dosage varies depending on the severity of the deficiency and individual needs. 5.3 Vitamin B12 injections. In cases of severe deficiency or malabsorption issues, B12 injections may be prescribed. These are typically administered intramuscularly and can rapidly restore B12 levels. Regular injections may be necessary for individuals with chronic conditions affecting B12 absorption. 6. Practical tips for incorporating vitamin B12 into your weight loss plan. 6.1 Balanced diet. A balanced diet that includes B12-rich foods is essential for overall health and weight management. Focus on incorporating lean proteins, whole grains, and a variety of fruits and vegetables to ensure adequate nutrient intake. 6.2 Regular physical activity. Exercise is a critical component of weight loss and overall health. Aim for a mix of aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises to support your weight loss goals. 6.3 Monitoring B12 levels. Regular monitoring of B12 levels, especially if you are at risk for deficiency, can help ensure you are maintaining adequate levels. This is particularly important if you are following a restrictive diet or have a medical condition that affects B12 absorption. 6.4 Supplementation when necessary. If dietary sources are insufficient, consider B12 supplements to maintain optimal levels. Consult with a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage and form of supplementation for your needs. 7. Case studies and personal experiences. 7.1 Success stories. Explore real-life success stories of individuals who have incorporated B12 into their weight loss plans. These case studies can provide inspiration and practical insights into how B12 supplementation, combined with lifestyle changes, has helped others achieve their weight loss goals. 7.2 Lessons learned. Learn from the challenges and setbacks experienced by others on their weight loss journeys. Understanding common pitfalls and how to overcome them can help you navigate your own path to successful weight management. 8. Expert opinions. 8.1 Nutritionists and dietitians. Gain insights from nutritionists and dietitians on the role of B12 in weight loss. Their expertise can provide valuable guidance on how to incorporate B12 into a comprehensive weight management plan.
8.2 Medical Professionals.
Hear from medical professionals about the clinical aspects of B12 supplementation, including when it is necessary, potential side effects, and how to address underlying health conditions that may affect B12 absorption.
Conclusion.
Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient with numerous health benefits, including its role in energy metabolism and neurological function. While it can support weight loss efforts by improving energy levels and overall health, it is not a standalone solution. Effective weight management requires a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and, when necessary, appropriate supplementation. By understanding the science behind B12 and incorporating it into a comprehensive weight loss plan, you can achieve your health and wellness goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Ni655 family.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.